Today I'll show you how we earned $68 by promoting affiliate products on Clickbank completely free. You'll also learn step by step how to set up your account and promote offers effectively. Our total income shows $68 and the report confirms a recent sale. By clicking on the nickname, you access the dashboard to view your earnings and daily reports. To start, visit Clickbank's website, select affiliate and sign up. Fill out the form carefully, choosing options like promote Clickbank products and an extra income note accounts from Bangladesh require alternative methods such as using SMS receiver apps or relatives abroad to bypass restrictions. Once registered, verify your email and phone number and you're set. Next, explore the Clickbank marketplace. Select your niche, e.g., health fitness, analyze offers based on gravity and conversion rates, and pick the best one. Copy your affiliate link and save it in a notepad. To promote, you'll need a professional landing page. Use Google Sites to create a simple page with product details, an image, and a clear call to action button linked to your affiliate link. For promotion, Instagram works wonders. Create a niche-based profile, add a bio with your landing page link, and grow followers by engaging with relevant hashtags like Qtuppy. Use tools like Instagram Photo Downloader to source attractive content for your profile. After optimizing your Instagram profile, start sharing valuable posts to drive traffic to your landing page. With consistent effort, you'll generate passive income while promoting products seamlessly. So what are you waiting for? Start your affiliate marketing journey today and achieve your financial goals.